Welcome to this how-to video. Today, we will learn 2 ways you can add a profile in your EBSCOadmin account. We will learn how to create a profile from a blank slate. Creating a profile this way allows you to set up a new profile with only the default settings enabled. We will also learn how to copy an existing profile to create a new one. This allows you to retain any custom settings you've put in place, but make further configuration changes from here. Let's first create a new profile with only default settings enabled. Log in to EBSCOadmin. On the Customize Services tab, click the Profile Maintenance link. Click Add New Profile. Enter a profile ID and description. It can be especially helpful to use a meaningful description, as this will appear in the profile drop-down list and in the list on the Select Resource page. Select the interface from the drop-down menu. Select the default language for the interface. Select the profile style. This enables default settings based on your market. And click Submit to create your new profile. Now we'll learn how to copy a profile. From the Profile Maintenance screen, click Copy Profiles. Select the group where the existing profile lives. Then select the profile you want to copy. This is another reason it's helpful to provide a meaningful description when creating profiles. Select the group where the copied profile should be created. Put it in a test group, for example, if you are creating a sandbox profile to test new settings. Add a profile ID for the new profile. If you want it to copy all settings from the existing profile, click the Select All button. Or you can review the list and pick and choose which settings you want to retain in the copy. Scroll to the bottom and click Submit to copy your profile. Congratulations! You now know 2 ways you can create a profile in your EBSCOadmin account.